You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this French composer and poet? For more names from French literature and history and music, stay tuned. In France, it is said as Guillaume. Guillaume, yes, I-double-L is not pronounced like an L, but like a Y. Guillaume de Machaut, silent T. Guillaume de Machaut. Guillaume de Machaut, you could say it in English or in French. Guillaume de Machaut. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.